Hi there, this is David with Liberty Land Sales. Thanks for inquiring about our property in near Christmas Valley, Oregon. It's a 1-acre property, a little over 1 acre, 1.05. We're asking our cash discount price is $39.97, or we're offering terms at $134 a month. Now I'll just cut to the chase here and show you what the terms are. When we do sell our financing, that's at retail price. We give an incentive for paying cash. So the seller financing terms are $99 down plus a doc fee of $399. Actually, you know what? So you got $499.98 total. You're a landowner. Then you start making payments of $134.86 plus a $20 note servicing fee. That's a pass-through from our note service company. So you end up at $154.86 a month on your payment for 72 months. So if that looks good to you, you just click the Buy Now button. You can either select the cash sale. You can either pay it all in full, the whole shoot and match, the $3,997 plus the doc fee, or on a credit or debit card. Or if you're more comfortable, you can pay the deposit amount only plus the doc fee. So you'd be in at $899. Fill out all your credit information here. Hit the submit button, and you're a landowner. It'll shoot you an automatic receipt, and then what we will do is send you a QuickBooks invoice to pay the balance. You can use an ACH or wire transfer. If you're going to do terms, it's going to be same thing. You fill out all this information. You put your down and doc fee, credit card number in, and then what's going to happen, you're going to get a receipt. We're going to send you the contract within 48 hours for you to sign, and then we'll set up your loan in a program called geekpay.io and send you a link to put in your bank account information, and that'll automatically withdraw every month. But you do also have the ability to go into that portal and make extra payments if you want to pay down early. Never, ever any prepayment penalties on our loans. So here you go. It's located near some farmland near Seven Lake down here, and you got Black Hills over here. This is kind of a grid of the development here. You notice that there are a few homes that have been built in here. There is some power in here not too far away from the actual lot. Here's just another view of it. There's a general store. This is a nearby view, nearby lake. The mountains off in the distance with snow cap. The sand dunes here. A lot of great sporting activity around Christmas Valley. You got the sand dunes. You've got about 3 hours from Klamath Falls. You're about an hour and 45 minutes from Bend. But yes, you've got the sand dunes. You've got Christmas Valley Lake and other lakes around. Great fishing, and there's streams. Tons of stuff within about an hour radius, hour to an hour and a half radius. You got a little golf course here as well. It's more of the lake, general store. We can look at it on I've already got the big map exploded here, so I'll just, to give you a macro view of where the property's at, let me just turn off the satellite layer so you can see. So Bend is up here, again, about an hour and 45 minutes away. You've got Chiloquin down here, that's about an hour and a half away, 2 hours away. And Klamath Falls about 3 hours away. So it's actually good ways from there. Valley Falls here, Paisley. You got the California border down here. But you've got all kinds of opportunities for sporting up here. Like I said, you've got the sand dunes. A lot of people will buy these lots and put shipping containers on them, and then for a safe place to store all their gear, their motorcycle gear, their hunting gear, fishing gear. And then they've got a nice home base as a recreational lot. And then when they want to go, they bring their camper and stay there in their camper while they're having fun. Or you can build a cabin, a house, or if you want to live there. It's also a mobile home friendly lot. So here's some photos from the area. Some big elk and deer around there. Some great opportunities for that. Also killer waterfowl. I mean, ducks and geese and all kinds of that stuff. Fishing. You've got, nice lakes and rivers around. A lot of good trout fishing opportunities around here as well. So hey, you like this property, you like what you see, go in here, just hit the buy now button and fill out all your information, put your credit card in, and you are a landowner. It's that simple. There's no qualifying with our financing. You say you can make the payment, I don't have any reason not to believe you. All right, thank you.